Well, here's something that you don't see every day. I am in Holly Springs, North Carolina, to show you one of the coolest things I've seen all year. This right here is the Flytrex delivery service. That little drone, oh, wait, there he is. That little drone right there is a Flytrex drone, and that is going to deliver me dessert, or it can deliver you pizza, or groceries, or wings, or whatever. All you have to do is download the Flytrex app, open it up, and also you have to live in certain locations. Like I said, this is in Holly Springs. If you're in the North Carolina area, you can also do the streets at South Point Shopping District, and they also have a location in Texas that they operate out of. So you go through the app, you order it very similar to DoorDash or Uber Eats. You put what you want in your cart, you place your order. If you live close enough to a Flytrex area, you can have them literally drop it in your front yard or your backyard. I live a little bit away from here, so I chose one of their predetermined drop-off locations, which in this scenario was an empty field. So you put in your order, it gives you notification, and boom, there it is, 3 minutes and 45 seconds until your drone arrives. So I got there a little early, so I was waiting around a little bit. There was a few minutes delay. It is still very much a beta test pilot program, no pun intended, but you get the idea. So you put in your order, you wait your 2 or 3 minutes, and then you see your drone approaching from beyond. Now, for this next part, I'm going to stop talking so you can witness this and enjoy what is about to happen, because let me tell you, this is really cool. Yeah, you saw that right. That was 2 nothing bundt cakes delivered to me from 80 feet in the air. So let's talk a little bit about how this happens. But first, let's take a look at our food haul. So here we go. Here's what comes in the bag. We have our 2 nothing bundt cakes and 2 little treats that they give you. And also they gave me a bottled water, but I drank it on the way home because it was very hot that day. So we take a look in our bag. We've got cake number 1 and cake number 2. Take that bag, get it out of the way, and here's our extra little trinkets that it came with: a nice little postcard, a sticker, and my personal favorite part of all this, a Flytrex pin. Take a look at that. It's got their logo and the drone and everything on it. So here's cake 1, a white chocolate raspberry. Looks pretty good from being dropped 80 feet in the air, and a snickerdoodle looks less good from being dropped 80 feet in the air, but still acceptable. So here's how it all happens. Here's the Flytrex base of operations. If you don't know who Flytrex is, it is Flytrex and not Fly T-Rex. That would be terrifying. They are a small company who is piloting these drone delivery services across America. So they got their start in the Triangle a couple years ago. I've seen some news reports from back in 2020 when they actually gained clearance to do this, and as of last year, they're fully operational. I've been to Holly Springs twice since I went, and I mean, the drones are flying everywhere. It's crazy. But there's a pre-selected number of businesses around the area that participate with this, and someone will go and get your food from that business, bring it to the Flytrex port. They will put your order in the drone and send it over to you. Like I said, if you live about a mile from them, they will take it directly to your front yard or your backyard. Otherwise, you can use a couple different public delivery drop-off locations. Now, certainly you could just walk into Nothing Bundt Cakes or Buffalo Wild Wings or Freddy's or Zaxby's, whatever, and get your food, but I mean, it's free. Who doesn't want their food dropped from 80 feet in the air by a drone? So, regardless, if you think it's cool, if you think it's weird, whatever, I think you should give it a shot. It's free, it's a good time, and if you're in the area, it's just a really cool novelty. So I wish these guys the best of luck. This is really cool. We'll see if it takes off. Again, no pun intended.